What's happening, everybody? Jim here from Grassroots Piano. Thank you for clicking on this video. So here we are, study number 5, and in this study we have 2 chords per bar and some slash chords. I noticed that some of the rhythms I created in this exercise, similar to Sting's tune Fields of Gold, as well as the chord progression. So it's beautiful chord progression, beautiful tune. Let's take a look at exercise 1 that I created. Exercise 1 is kind of a warm-up. I'm going to demonstrate both hands together, but super slow. So we have A minor, and then we have a transition going into beat 3. Our left hand goes to G, and we have C major. Notice that slash to G, and then F major, second bar. And then we have the bass line going down to the E, C major. Here we go to D minor, to G major, C major, and the last chord is G, which would be a G/B. That would fit nicely. All right, so 2 transition things you want to practice. One being the first measure. You have this, and the left hand goes to the G. And if you do that correctly, then you won't run out of fingers. And if you do, you might catch it and just move down. Try not to make a big deal out of it. And then the last measure, you have C and the B. And then the right hand goes a bit up to the A minor, and then this goes up, the left 2. All right, so exercise 2, similar to exercise 1, except the duration of the right hand is a little shorter. So it's kind of getting you prepared. And you can go ahead and start with the A minor. I just have A in the bass, but you can get used to playing this because that happens in the harder exercises. So we have 1, 2, see that switch? 3, to the second measure, F. Think ahead if you can. Then there's that C with the E, D minor, to the G, and C, to the G. And don't forget, I have a tutorial where I go over it with the repeat so you can listen back, play to it if you like. And if you are getting value out of my content, I have a small favor. Would you consider hitting the like button, because then it reaches other awesome people like you. And as of late, my channel has grown, and I thank all of you for that. Let's take a look at exercise 3. We have upbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow it down, Jim. Sorry. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, and that repeats. 3, 4. And then exercise 4, I'm going to go ahead and count out the rhythms out loud, and when I exhibit the counts, the subdivisions if you will, that will be the right hand. Good news, the left hand pretty much stays the same. Here I go, exercise 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So what do we need to do in this exercise? There's kind of a little mini piano fill-in on the last bar, so you want to practice that. So the last bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? And I added a little crescendo in there that gives it a little life. All right, my favorite exercise 5. There's some funky notes going on here, funky rhythms, I guess. So here I go slowly. First bar is similar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 E, 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. All right, let's look at the second measure. We have 1 E, 2 and 3, 4 and. I'll do that again. 1 E, 2 and 3 E and 4 and. All right, go ahead and check out the play along as I go over the repeats, and you have a drum track and all that. Good luck. Thank you so much. Let me know how you did. If you enjoyed this lesson, again, consider subscribing, helps the channel out, and leave a comment for feedback so I can keep going and provide valuable content for you. Lastly, don't forget this PDF is free, so go ahead and grab a copy and you can work on it. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and check out these videos too, by the way.